Massive blackhead removal. Deep pore extraction transformation. The blackhead nobody expected. At first glance, this pore doesn't look particularly unusual. But beneath the surface is a stubborn buildup that has been sitting inside the pore for a long time. The real transformation begins when the extraction finally starts. Getting ready for the extraction. Before touching the clogged pore, the surrounding skin is carefully cleaned and prepared. This removes surface oil and residue while making the extraction area easier to see clearly. The first sign of the plug, gentle pressure is applied around the pore, and slowly, the dark blockage begins moving toward the surface. This is the moment when you can see just how deeply the pore was congested. The deep extraction, the deeper portion of the blockage slowly follows the surface plug. The extraction reveals a long, compact mass of oxidized material that had been trapped inside the pore. The clean pore reveal. Once the blockage has been removed, the difference becomes immediately noticeable. The previously congested pore now appears cleaner, while the surrounding skin looks calmer and more even. Why this blackhead became so large. Blackheads can become more noticeable when oil and dead skin cells repeatedly accumulate inside the same pore. Removing the existing blockage can improve its appearance, but preventing future buildup requires consistent and appropriate skincare. The final transformation, the final result isn't about making pores disappear. They are a normal part of healthy skin. The goal is simply to reduce visible congestion and maintain cleaner-looking skin with consistent care. Was that the deepest blackhead you've seen? If you enjoyed this extraction, like the video and subscribe to Skin Remedian for more satisfying deep pore cleaning and blackhead removal.